Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 common gardening mistakes and how you can avoid them. So let's grab our trowels and dig into these 5 common gardening mistakes and, more importantly, how to avoid them. Water is essential for plant life, providing the necessary hydration for growth and nutrient absorption. However, too much water can be detrimental, leading to a host of problems that can ultimately harm your plants. Overwatering suffocates the roots, preventing air pockets from forming, which are crucial for root respiration. Signs of overwatering include wilting leaves, which may seem counterintuitive since wilting is often associated with a lack of water. Other symptoms include yellowing leaves, stunted growth, or a musty smell emanating from the soil, indicating root rot. To avoid overwatering, water deeply but less frequently, allowing the topsoil to dry out between waterings. This encourages roots to grow deeper in search of moisture. Ensure your pots have adequate drainage to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom, which can lead to root rot. Remember, it's easier to revive a thirsty plant than to save a waterlogged one. Proper watering techniques are key to maintaining healthy, thriving plants. Where you plant is as important as how much you water. Each plant has specific sunlight and soil preferences. Understand these needs before planting. If a plant isn't thriving, consider moving it to a more suitable spot. By respecting your plant's needs, you'll create a thriving garden. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Neglecting soil health is a common mistake. Feed your soil with organic matter like compost and well-rotted manure. These materials improve soil structure and provide a steady stream of nutrients. Healthy soil means healthier, more resilient plants. Overcrowding plants can lead to competition for resources such as water, nutrients, and sunlight. When plants are too close together, they struggle to get the essentials they need to thrive. This competition can result in stunted growth and increased susceptibility to pests and diseases. Plants that are stressed are more likely to attract pests, which can further weaken them. Reduced airflow from overcrowding creates an environment for fungal diseases. Fungal spores thrive in damp, stagnant air, making it easier for diseases like powdery mildew to spread. Give your plants space to breathe by following spacing recommendations. Proper spacing ensures that each plant has enough room to grow and access to the resources it needs. It might seem like you're leaving a lot of empty space, but this space is crucial for healthy plant development. Well-spaced plants can grow to their full potential without competing with their neighbors. Your plants will thank you by growing stronger and producing more. Healthy plants are more resilient and can better withstand environmental stresses. Proper spacing leads to a healthier, more productive garden. You'll notice fewer issues with pests and diseases, and your garden will be more bountiful. A little planning goes a long way. By taking the time to plan your garden layout and follow spacing guidelines, you set the stage for a thriving, beautiful garden. Pruning is essential for a healthy garden. It's about encouraging beneficial growth. Different plants require different pruning techniques. Make clean, sharp cuts to help plants heal quickly and prevent disease. Prune at the right time of year for each plant. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found our gardening tips useful. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening advice. Happy gardening! Your support helps us create more content to help you grow a beautiful and bountiful garden. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning and experimentation. Each plant has its own unique needs and characteristics. Observe your plants, listen to their needs, and enjoy the process. Patience and attention to detail will reward you with a thriving garden. Until next time, may your gardens be filled with sunshine, showers, and the joy of watching your plants thrive. Keep nurturing your green spaces and happy gardening.